Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring prerequisites. Check your iPhone model and iOS version so Siri is supported and sign into your Apple ID. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active because Siri needs network access for many requests. Plug in or confirm battery above 10% so the process isn't interrupted. Now open Settings, you're going straight to Siri and search. This first action enables voice activation and prepares permissions. Do it now so you can configure voice recognition next. You'll enable voice activation and train Siri to recognize you. In Settings Siri and Search, toggle on Listen for Hey Siri and press Side or Home for Siri depending on your model. Next, follow the on-screen voice setup. Speak the phrases clearly so Siri learns your voice. This improves accuracy. Make sure you allow microphone access when prompted. Without it, Siri won't hear you. Once completed, test with a simple command like, Hey Siri, what's the weather? To confirm recognition and connectivity. You'll finalize permissions and personalize Siri so it's useful. Go back to Siri and search to grant access to contacts, location, and notifications. This lets Siri make calls, suggest actions, and give contextually relevant answers. Then pick voice and language settings to match your accent. If something goes wrong, try a restart. Install any pending iOS update and check microphone privacy in Settings Privacy. Often a blocked mic or outdated iOS causes failures. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.